3, 2, 1, go. Hanggang 60 lang boy. Hanggang 60 lang. Makapagal, marami tayong history dito. Anyway, welcome to another video dito sa Makina Ride. Eto, papasok tayo na Iyax, pabalik ng Buendia. May share ako sa inyo. We are on third gear and we are going to do clutchless shifting buong na Iyax. Fourth gear. Ayan, akit tayo dito, bawas tayo ng third gear. Ayan, okay. We're not using the clutch. Clutchless shifting. So, ito yung sisimplihan ko yung explanation. Kapag upshift, this is how to do it kapag upshift, bibitawan ko ng konti yung gas. Pag bitaw ko ng gas, sasarado ko yung throttle sasarado ko yung throttle, tapos sabay ako mag-upshift. Yun, o ganun. Another one. So tayo nasa fourth gear. Release the throttle quickly and then upshift. Yeah, there you go. Yun. Yun ang pinakasimple na explanation ng clutchless upshift. Okay? Release the throttle quickly and then upshift quickly. Sabay, maganda yung timing dapat, mabilis dapat. Ang clutchless shifting ay dapat mabilis kasi siya yung poor man's version ng quick shifting. Okay? Alright. Paano naman ang downshift? Tayo ay nasa 5th gear. Ang throttle naman ay ating ibiblip. Bubuksan natin ang throttle ng sobrang bilis. Parang ganito. Yun, gagawin natin, di ba? Ngayon, kita nyo, pag binibigla ko, umaandar yung motor, di ba? Sumusubsob. Okay. So, ang gagawin ko, pag binlip ko yung throttle, pag binuksan ko siya ng mabilis, ng quickly, doon naman ako magda-downshift quickly. O, ito, tingnan natin ito. I'm on 5th gear. I'm going to downshift to 4th, clutchless. Blip the throttle and then downshift. There, okay, nasa 4th gear tayo. Down to 3rd. Alright, we're up to 3rd. Yun ang simplest explanation ng clutchless upshift and clutchless downshift. Now we're on 5th gear. I'm going to upshift to 6th. We are turning. Downshift to 5th. Downshift to 4th. Ayan, no clutch. Not using the clutch. Upshift. Upshift. Alright. So timing lang talaga yon. At saka ang keyword dito, wait lang. Ang keyword dito is you do it quickly. Kasi yung clutchless shifting, again, it's a poor man's version of quick shifting. Ito yung para sa mga walang pambili ng quick shifter, katulad ko. Okay? Clutchless upshifts and downshifts. At saka background, a little bit information lang. Matagal lang ginagawa to ng mga sinauna pang riders. Actually, matagal lang skill to. Matagal lang nangyayari to. Yung mga baguhang riders ngayon, medyo nagugulat lang. Ay, pwede pala yun. Ay, masama sa motor yan. Hindi yan maganda. Hindi ninyo lang alam, nare-realize. Matagal lang ginagawa to ng mga sinauna pang rider. Matagal na tong clutchless shifting na to. Okay. So, ang tanong palagi, nakakasira ba yan ng motor? No, hindi. Nakakasira ba ng transmission? No, hindi. Pero, yan merong caveat. Okay? If you do it properly. Oh, anong 80? 80 ako? Ay, putik. Sala yun. Anong 80? 40 nga eh. Ba't 80 yung lumabas doon? Anyway, so if you do it properly, eto kasi yun, if you don't do it properly, kung hindi mo alam yung proper technique, it will not work. Eto, tamo ha, I'll try to upshift, downshift nang walang ginagawa sa throttle. Hindi mangyayari, wala hindi ko na magawang mali kasi sanay na ako. But anyway, oh yeah, we're on third. If you don't do it properly, it's not gonna work. Ikaw mismo mararamdaman mo that something's wrong. Parang may mali. Kasi nga, hindi mo ginawa ng tama yung technique, so it's not gonna work. So, if you don't do it properly, it won't work. Nothing will happen. Yun, dun malamang may masira sa motor mo kasi may stress at saka kung ano pa man. We're on first. Open sesame. Oh, yes. Marami pa akong load. Huwag mo akong pahiya. Okay, we're on third and now we're on fourth. If you do it properly, it's perfectly safe for your transmission, for your motorcycle. If you do it properly. If you don't, you will feel it. It's not smooth, it's not good. That means you have to learn the skill. So again, yung kanina sabi ko, 'di ba? For upshifts, release the throttle quickly and then upshift quickly. For downshifts, blip the throttle quickly, open the throttle quickly, and then downshift quickly. Yun yung combination nun para magawa mo yung clutchless shifting. I will see you on the next video. Dito sa Man Cannot Ride. Let's drop a gear and let's disappear. Yabang, no? 60 lang naman. Let's go, baby.